Hi, this is Terry Brown with Vacations Royale. I just wanted to put together this real quick video to say hello and to thank all of you for taking a look at the Vacations Royale opportunity. I just want you to know that I'm here to assist you if you are ready to move forward with this incredible opportunity. Whether you want to take advantage of the membership or you want to take advantage of the membership and the business opportunity, I am more than happy to assist you to help you to get started if that's something that you desire to do. Vacations Royale is more than a travel club. It is an opportunity to totally transform your life. It's a vacation club that offers a business opportunity to its members. And so I've got a question for you. Are you ready to live the vacation lifestyle? Again, if I can help you in any way, if I can answer any questions or help you get started, I am here for you. Simply contact me. Send me an email. Give me a call. It really doesn't matter because I want to be there to help you. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm signing off. And I hope to see you real soon. Bye bye.